Real quick, everybody knows on this channel they call me the Craftsman. I'm 456 up here in the Great Lakes in southern Michigan. That's my handle on the CB. I rock out channel 28. I call it the Orange Bowl. But maybe a couple of viewers didn't know, but I have another channel. It's called the Craftsman 2 channel. And I show my face and all sorts of good stuff, so it's not really CB related. So yeah, a lot of good stuff over there, so I have a feeling that people will enjoy that one, probably more than the CB shit. So this is me. I am Mr. 456. My name is Josh, 31 years old. I also have chronic pancreatitis, so, and I'm a diabetic, and I have an underactive thyroid gland. Other than that, good to go. So, there you go. Thanks for checking out the channel on my skip channel, but go over to the other one and check out the other channel. Maybe you guys will like that too. Thanks for viewing. Later.